Have you ever tried a drink, Sharbat-e-Mohabbat, the drink of love? This refreshing classic from Old Delhi is famous during Ramadan, but today I'm giving it a delicious twist. First, I soak some sabja seeds in water, mix and let them bloom. Sabja seeds help cool your body naturally, which makes this drink perfect for the summers. Next, finely chop some fresh watermelon and add it to a bowl. The juicy watermelon is what gives this drink its refreshing taste. Now, add the soaked sabja seeds. Pour a generous amount of rose syrup. Now add in 1 liter of full fat milk, which will give the richness to the drink. Add a few ice cubes and gently mix everything together. Taste. If you like it sweet, add some more syrup and adjust accordingly. Pour into a glass and your refreshing Sharbat-e-Mohabbat is ready. But wait, let's turn this drink into a beautiful dessert. Add some chopped watermelon to a glass. Add some sabja seeds. Place a creamy vanilla ice cream on top. Drizzle with some rose syrup and finish with some watermelon balls for garnish. And just like that, you have a refreshing drink and a delicious dessert in one recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Reels to Meal.